Alright, just doing another off-the-cuff video here. I got a question earlier today on how do I hang my Matty trap on my belt. I've actually seen this come up before in other groups, and I think the reason it comes up specifically with the Matty trap is a lot of people want to hang it on their belt, but they don't want to ruin the original condition by putting a V-hook on it. There are some other options for that, and just in general, like how to get it hung from your belt seems to be an issue. I've come up with a couple of solutions. On order right now, I have a replacement battery door coming from Ben of Kent that has a plastic V-hook as part of the printed part, and then that comes with the receiving side too, that hangs from the actual belt itself. I have that on the way. I don't have it yet. What I'm going to show you is the solution that I went with up to now. And again, this is really just in the interest of keeping the Matty trap in its original condition, because a lot of people don't want to chop these up and ruin the actual market value of it. In fact, the only thing I've really done to mine modification wise is just some rub and buff, because if you ever use rub and buff, it can come off. So if I ever wanted to restore this back to original condition, I could do that relatively easily. So here's the solution. We stand up here. Again, this is off the cuff, no editing. So here's my setup. We got the trap here, cables here, and the pedal back here. Now on the trap, what I've done is I've gotten these Velcro straps. I just put a piece of Velcro on the door here. This is where your V-hook would go, and that's where my future V-hook will go. Ben of Kent, by the way, also sells blank printed battery doors, so if you want to install a metal V-hook onto a door without ruining this one, that is also an option. But these are, so this is literally just hanging from my belt like so, and then this just sticks on there like this. And these are called Rapid Heavy Duty Storage Straps. I picked these up at True Value. This particular pack came in assorted sizes, so I got I want to say 5 or 6 of them, and they're all kind of different sized. That's the one that's actually holding the trap on. And then we'll come back over here. Then I've got another one where I've got a clip going up to this strap on the flight suit. So I'll undo this clip. Oh, this angle really accentuates my gut. Good God. And this one's just holding the cables together. And these are great because they kind of fit that key fob aesthetic too. And you can turn them the opposite direction so the logo's not facing out, whatever you prefer. If you want to cover up the logos for the sake of perceived screen accuracy. But yeah, these kind of fit in with the aesthetic already, so these are pretty great for that too. They got these little metal rings on the end. You can put whatever clips you want on them, whatever floats your fancy. And then on the back, on my left buttock, is the pedal. And this is the one that somebody was specifically asking me about earlier. And basically it's just another one of these Velcro straps, and it's just going right through the handle right here. And if you put it in like that, just go right over the belt, it'll just kind of sit flush right on you like that. I'll try to remember to leave a link for the Ben of Kent replacement battery door and the pre-installed V-hook version, which I have on order. So if you're interested in doing that, but if you're like me and you want to keep this in original condition and you don't want to bust the budget, this is a great solution. Plus, this is just kind of a good solution for your utility belt anyway, these little Velcro straps, just because, like I said, they already kind of fit the Ghostbusters aesthetic, and they're highly functional. Again, that's Rapid storage straps. Alright, if you have any questions, throw it down in the comments. I'll answer them. I'm usually pretty good about getting back to them. I'm not a YouTuber, so I don't have a lot of subscribers. I got 20 subscribers or something like that, so I will have time to answer you. Have a good day.